It is a risk-off session today, with safe haven assets catching a bid across the board. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for July 22nd. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is trading lower by -0.60% at 24,188 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that global market, ARA-driven chip rally stumbles as investors question lofty valuations after sharp sell-off, The Economic Times. Nifty 50 is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $24,671 resistance and $23,704 support as the boundaries of the current range. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex dipped -0.87% to 77,470 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that global market, ARA-driven chip rally stumbles as investors question lofty valuations after sharp sell-off, The Economic Times. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty dipped -1.17% to 57,835 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that July Fed meeting unpacked what the latest decision may mean for investors. Lord, Abbott & Co. LLC. After today's weakness, the $56,100 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Bank Nifty. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. NTPC climbed +1.96% to 348.55 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ rally fizzles as chip stock momentum fades, oil rises. Yahoo Finance. The near-term technical picture for NTPC looks constructive. Watch the $362.49 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Bharti Airtel climbed +2.07% to 1,948.40 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. The near-term technical picture for Bharti Airtel looks constructive. Watch the $2,026.34 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.22. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is up +2.07%, trading at 1,948.40 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. The near-term technical picture for Bharti Airtel looks constructive. Watch the $2,026.34 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.